2A vet. Y'all know to go check out the homie content, Second Amendment content for those who don't know. Hey, I'll explain it to her right because they don't get it. I gotta be putting in that work on them videos too. Y'all know to go check out Show Me Sasquatch and quit playing with your boy
Hey
Sasquatch.
everyone, welcome into our latest Trade to Black podcast. As usual, I am your host, Shad Dales, and today we're diving into one of the most talked about appointments in Washington recently. President Trump's new drug czar, Sarah Carter. We're going to find out today, who is she? What does she stand for? And most importantly, what this means for the cannabis industry. So with that, let's get into it. Let's first begin. Sarah Carter. She is a journalist and former Fox News contributor, widely recognized for her investigative reporting on border security, drug trafficking, and national security issues. Her work has earned her a reputation as a relentless advocate for justice, particularly in exposing the dangers of fentanyl and opioids. While she doesn't have a formal background in public health or drug policy, her appointment signals a shift in focus towards enforcement and border control, which is a hallmark of Trump's broader agenda. So why did President Trump choose her? Trump has praised Carter's unwavering commitment to tackling drug-related issues, calling her a fighter who aligns with his vision protecting American families from the scourge of drugs. Her strong stance on border security and her investigative work on drug trafficking make her a natural fit for Trump's administration, which prioritizes enforcement and combating illegal immigration. So now let's talk about the cannabis industry and what Carter's views are on it. She has expressed cautious support for medical marijuana, calling it fantastic for people with serious illnesses like cancer.
Now, she's all for a medical program, as he just said, but she's really a stickler on anything else. You dig? Yeah, if you got something that you need a prescription for, we're going to write you a prescription, get you over there to the motherfucking local prescribed place or dispensary, whichever way you do. You might go to a legit pharmacy. You never know. Hell, but she's really a stickler. But like they said, she's big on his other policies that we all do like. You see what I'm saying? Especially as far as getting them borders back under control, and then as far as stopping people from bringing in fent, because that's why the borders need to be locked down, because they can bring in anything with them. You can't just bring in people. You can bring in people with bringing in anything. Shout out to not controlling our borders, but being in control of our home. Hell, if I'm sitting at home, I don't want some weird person just able to come in and sit down and chill, and they just get to kick it there because they made it in now. Oh yeah, I'm here now, so you deal with it. Oh no, definitely not coming in my house, nigga. I pay the bills here. Hell, what the fuck? I didn't want no visitors. That's why the homie
She has
don't even know
also
where the new house
emphasized the
is.
importance of regulation and monitoring, suggesting that while she may not advocate for full legalization, she could support rescheduling cannabis to make medical research more accessible. This is interesting, and how I really view it, this is a good thing for the cannabis industry. This brings us now to Trump's own stance. During his campaign, President Trump hinted at rescheduling cannabis from Schedule 1 to Schedule 2.
See, because I gave you somebody else who you can start emailing besides the president. You don't want to annoy the president like he ain't getting 2.6 emails a day, but you can annoy her because she's only getting about 100,000 emails a day. You see what I'm saying? You might be one of the ones that get read. You might hit her up on a slow Tuesday. She only had 5 emails that day, and her publicist actually looked at yours and was like, hey, answer this to this guy because he at least got that coming. You dig? They might pull some shit like that on your ass that day. You might hit her up on a day she didn't have any emails, and you was the one guy who did hit her up that day. So you got red. You didn't get left on red. You got red at least. You dig? Like they looked at it. That was about it. Did they even read it though? That's crazy. You never know.